Do you want to delete reposted videos on TikTok? You can remove a repost on TikTok with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a reposted video on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Now you are on your TikTok profile page. From here, tap on the repost icon. A list of reposted videos will appear here. Now, open the video that you want to remove from the repost. Once the video is open, tap on the share icon on the right side of the screen. From the menu options, tap on Remove Repost. Once tapped, TikTok will immediately remove your repost from your section and friends newsfeed. The original video will remain on the creator's profile, but your repost will no longer be visible.